Let's learn how to draw a sword. I usually start drawing with the symmetry tool. You can find it at the top of your screen when you have the brush tool selected. It looks like a little butterfly. Here. I start with a really basic design for the handle and for the blade. After that, I start to add or subtract shapes to get a more interesting design. For me, it helps to make a little story in my head about the sword. Who is its owner? Does he or she maintain the blade very well? Etc, etc. If you want inspiration, you can Google sword images online. There are a ton of photos available, and a lot of them have really interesting designs. By the way, if you want to see the drawing in real time, click the little notification card at the top right. When I have a shape that I'm happy with, I add a new layer set to a clipping mask. You can right click the new layer and select the option, or you can hold down Alt and click the line separating the two layers. Having the clipping mask means that we only paint on the stuff what is on the layer below, which makes it perfect for texturing and adding some design elements. For this image, I decided to make a fairly simple design. I made the blade a little bit textured to imply wear and tear. It is not a super fancy blade and it's not very well maintained. I added some scratches as a finishing touch, and voila, done. Don't forget to subscribe.